Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Already 2023 is around the corner, and Rochas Okorocha, one of the prominent Igbo men who have indicated interest for presidency, is beginning to feel the heat. Should I call it Waterloo already? As events are unfolding, it looks like after declaration for his 2023 presidency, things are really springing up against him. Well, before we go to the newspaper to find out if Rochas Okorocha can't stand the heat before 2023 elections, like you subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube, where the Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) has charged Nigerian senator and former governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, with allegations he conspired with others, including an APC politician and 5 companies, to steal 2.9 billion naira from public coffers. EFCC filed the charges totaling 17 on Monday, the 31st January 2022, at the Federal High Court Abuja, court document exclusively gotten. In addition to Mr. Okorocha, other defendants are Anyim Inyerere Chinenye, Nathaniel International Limited, Perfect Finish Multi-Project Limited, Consolid Project Consulting Limited, Pramif International Limited, and Legend World Concepts Limited. The charges were filed about the same time Mr. Okorocha was declaring his intention to run for the office of the president in 2023. Mr. Okorocha, 59, was a 2-time governor of Imo State, serving from 2011 to 2019, when he lost an intense political battle to install his son-in-law and chief of staff, Uche Nwosu, as his successor. He, however, succeeded in winning the Imo West senatorial election for himself as a candidate of the APC. The returning officer alleged he was forced to declare Mr. Okorocha the winner under duress, making INEC delay issuing him a certificate of return. His co-accused, Mr. Inyerere, open source searches show, was the APC governorship candidate in 2015 Abia State election and currently serves as a commissioner at the National Pension Commission. Mr. Inyerere featured in all the 17 charges and is accused of conspiring with Mr. Okorocha to steal and launder 2.9 billion naira belonging to Imo State and local government areas in the state in contravention of the Money Laundering Act 2011. As CSC searches by showed, he owns or controls 3 of the charged companies, namely Consolid, Pramif, and Legend World, all registered in Abuja. According to EFCC charges, the stolen funds were diverted between October 2014 and February 2016 from the Imo State Government House account and Imo State Joint Local Government Project account. Timeline of the allegation diversion: 1. February 11, 2014, 67.5 million naira conspiracy between Mr. Okorocha, Mr. Inyerere, and Perfect Finish Multi-Project Limited. 2. August 28, 2014, 486 million naira conspiracy between Mr. Okorocha, Mr. Inyerere, and Perfect Finish Multi-Project Limited. 3. October 14, 2014, 900 million naira conspiracy between Mr. Okorocha, Mr. Inyerere, and Naphthana International Limited. 4. August 4, 2015, 279 million naira conspiracy between Mr. Okorocha, Mr. Inyerere, and Naphthana International Limited. 5. February 10, 2016, 243 million naira conspiracy between Mr. Okorocha, Mr. Inyerere, and Consolid Project Consulting Limited. 6. February 10, 2016, 200 million naira conspiracy between Mr. Okorocha, Mr. Inyerere, and Consolid Project Consulting Limited. 7 February 10, 2016, 243 million naira conspiracy between Mr. Okorocha, Mr. Nyerere, and Bramif International Limited. 8 February 11, 2016, 243 million naira again. Conspiracy between Mr. Okorocha, Mr. Nyerere, and Perfect Finish Multi Project Limited. 9 February 12, 2016, 243 million naira again. Conspiracy between Mr. Okorocha, Mr. Nyerere, and Legend World Concept Limited. Meanwhile, as searches showed, Mr. Nyerere remains the director of Consolid, Pramif, and Legend World, even as he holds a public office, potentially breaching Nigeria's code of conduct laws. Nigeria is in trouble. It's just so sad, honestly. Well, this is a document that EFCC 17 count charges, and one Mr. Nyerere is involved. Actually, holds a public office. Nigerians are crying. The economy is bleeding, and some individuals allegedly have this kind of amount personalized in their accounts. I weep for my country, Nigeria. This one is in millions. We don't know by the time this present government will leave. Maybe theirs will be in billions. It's cumulative anyway. Cumulative. It's so sad. I guess all this while they were just waiting for him to just declare. He has declared, and they have decided to bring out allegations against him. They may as well have to defend themselves. But let's say, honestly, this is so sad. I feel so pain. This is government. If this is true, because his allegation for the now is still alleged until proven guilty. If this is true, can I imagine what is remaining in the coffers of Imo State? This is so sad. This is the one out of so many that Nigerians have heard. And I'm sure by the time they unveil much more, Nigerians will just get angry and just ask, look, let's just let's just do it. Even if we divide this country now, we keep shouting, let's divide. I don't know. I don't know how we're going to come out of this. Okay, but let's feel the pulse of Nigerians. Nigerians are reacting. The figures are mind-boggling, honestly. This one here is saying, EFCC no even get shame again, or to even hide their witch hunting again, just because he declared yesterday to run for president. Yesterday, the next thing is to attack him with EFCC. This one here is saying they won't even allow him to get to his house after the session. EFCC is officially political. This is serious. This one here is saying Wahala not too much like this. Wahala not too much like this. So this one here say I condemn this unprofessional act. Meanwhile, if the news is about Tinubu, most of our brothers from the other side will sing praise song for EFCC. This one here is saying this is not good for him. However, he is still regarded as innocent until proven guilty by the court. Very correct, my brother. You're very, very correct. I would expect the judiciary to quickly dispense with all these corruption cases of people indicating interest in leading us, so it's not regarded as a political witch hunt. I expect EFCC to make special case for fast administration of justice in the corruption cases of politically exposed folks like His Excellency Okorocha. Dear fellow patriots in Nigeria, we are now saying that they should look at other people. This one here is saying now we know the reason they are hunting Okorocha after serving Buhari. This one here said they are candidate to deliberation. Nigerians are just talking. Honestly, I'm not even looking at the political aspect. This is